it's Nørgaard. So today it's time for a new Flashback Friday, and today we're doing another Wet n Wild trio. So this one is called Sweet as Candy, so it's a soft neutral little trio. And I did this soft eye look, and for this look I worked kind of horizontally instead of vertically. A lot of the times I do like lid, crease, brow bone, but this time I did inner corner, lid, outer corner, just to switch things up and show that you don't always have to do the same technique, you know, to get a pretty look. So yeah, this is really simple, it's really natural, it's really beginner friendly. So let me know what you think of the look. Also, I don't have anything on my nails today, they're completely bare and they are a little bit raggedy, so I apologize about that. I think I'm going to go get them done soon, but yeah, I'm just kind of letting them rest right now, kind of because I am too lazy to do anything about them. I did press on nails twice, but press on nails are so annoying. Like, there is a reason why I stopped doing press on nails, because I kind of forgot. I was like, oh, I can maybe go back to doing press on nails, but I do not want to go back to doing press on nails. I want to go get acrylics again for sure. Press on nails are just so annoying in my opinion. Anyway, that is another topic. If you like today's makeup look, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. So I already have my eye primer on, and this is what the trio looks like. It is called Sweet as Candy by Wet n Wild. I'm going to start out with the white shimmery color. Okay, so I just go in the inner corner right in here, and I am using this color wet because it is a little bit weak. So yeah, I just apply it all up in this area and I bring it down around the tear duct. Then I'm going to take the shimmery pink, and this is going on the lid, so kind of the center, the middle part of the lid, and I am taking it slightly up into the crease. And this is an absolutely gorgeous color, and I'm not using it wet. This is just dry as it comes straight out of the pan. And I'm using it wet on the lower lash line just because I'm not wearing any primer, you know, so it's going to adhere a bit better if you use it wet. Then finally, of course, we're going to take the shimmery brown, and I'm just using the same brush, and I'm applying this right in here in the outer V. And I did kind of wipe off my brush, but not a lot. It doesn't really matter if you have some of the pink on it. And of course I'm also applying this on the lower lash line, just right in the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm taking the other end of this brush, which is just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just blending the colors upwards. And you definitely want to start in the inner corner and then move outwards so you don't drag the darkest color into the crease. And you want to make sure you make the outer corner a little bit pointy. You don't want it to like droop too much, but you still want it to be soft. And then just using a little bit of the brow bone color, the white color, I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. And you can actually just kind of blend it out with your finger. Then I'm going to just curl the lashes. And I'm of course going to apply some Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. This is still my favorite lash primer, even though I think the Technic one is also good. And my mascara is the Technic Mega Lash Water Resistant Mascara, of course. Actually, before we do that, I am going to take some Wet n Wild Brow Highlighter and apply this on the waterline. And now I can apply some bottom lash mascara. And then of course I'm applying the mascara to the top lashes, and I'm going to do 2 coats. Okay, so here is the finished look. Really love this look. As you can probably tell, I've been feeling the natural, neutral, soft looks lately. So let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can click the bell to get post notifications. And that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress. Good things go slow.